Hello, you absolute legends.
Why are we doing this?
Because we need a new trailer for the channel.
Why?
Because the old one's terrible.
It'll match the channel then.
Yeah, but what are we going to tell people now in this trailer?
Just watch it, it's good.
My name's John. Hello, this is my dad. I have a pawn shop for buying weird and wacky cars and upsetting my wife. And then when I find out that what I've bought is a load of nonsense, I have to bring it to Dad to repair for me.
For free.
If you've got this far, hopefully something on the channel has tickled your fancy and is something that you might like to watch. Take a look at it below. We'll be posting content every week between now and, well, in the end of time, the end of the YouTube time. If you like, please subscribe and comment down below if you like the videos. That's the worst trailer I've ever filmed.
Well, don't bother to film one. Use the one we've got.
It's terrible. Use the original trailer.
Yes.
Here's the original trailer. Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is John. I'm 30 odd years old and I live in Lincolnshire in the United Kingdom. And I've got a bit of a hobby for buying weird and wacky cars and upsetting my wife. If you've come this far, hopefully you've seen something that you like. This is the trailer for my channel. Hopefully there's something down below there that you will enjoy looking at. If you can give me a like and a subscribe, that'd be awesome. There's so many capers on the way. I'm a massive fan of Proton cars, and there's loads more great content hopefully coming up between now and the end of time, the end of the YouTube time. If you could give me a like on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and TikTok as well. It's Jon Coupland, Jon Coupland, all one word. I hope to see you there. Thanks for taking the time to watch this trailer. And yeah, hopefully there's something that you will enjoy on the channel.
That'll do.
That'll do.
That's up. Tea up.
It's tea time.